Hi, my name is Angelo Ganyolongo. I'm from Block C, pero Block 3I and C. I'm irregular. Let's begin. This is my assessment 2. Number 1. How can you define a simple route in Laravel and what would be a real life example? Definition. In a Laravel route is simply a way to define how your application respond to a specific URL or request. You can define a simple route using the route get method, which tells Laravel to return something when a user visits a certain URL. Real life example. Imagine you creating a school management. You might want to show a page where students can view their profile. You can set up a route like this. How do you name a route work in Laravel, and how might you use them in your real-world application? Definition of name routes in Laravel. A name route in Laravel is just a route with a specific name or alias instead of always typing the URL. When redirecting or generating links, you can use the route name. This makes your code cleaner and easier to maintain, especially if you ever change the URL. What is the purpose of route groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Routes group allow you to apply shared attributes like middleware, prefix, or namespace to a group of routes instead of repeating the name sitting in every route. You group them together for cleaner and more organized code. In short, avoid repetition, keep routes organized, easier maintenance. How does a middleware work in Laravel? Can you prove a practical example? Definition and how middleware works. In a Laravel, middleware act like a filter that sits between the HTTP request and then application. It checks the request before it reaches your control or routes. It can also check or modify any response before sending back to the user. In short, middleware is like a security guard or checkpoint for requests. Number 5. How can you handle from submission and CRF's protection in Laravel? Example, build in middleware. Laravel already comes with a middleware like authentication, check if the user login, guess, check if the user is not logged in, verify, checks if the user email is verified. CRF protection in Laravel. CRF crossing site request forgery is a type of attack where someone tricks a user into submitting a malicious request without their knowledge. Laravel automatically protects against this by requiring requiring a CSRF token in every form at submission. How, how it works? The CSRF blade directive insert a hidden token field inside the form. Laravel checks that, that this token matches to the one stored in the user sessions. If the token doesn't match, the request is rejected. Example, the hidden CSRF token added automatically. Input type hidden name token value. Some random token here. Real world sample. Imagine you have school management system where students submit their assignment, assignment through a form. The CSRF token ensure only legitimate requests from your site are accepted. If an attacker tries to send a fake request, submit assignment on behalf of another student. Laravel blockades.